Welcome to the Third Coast Terminal's Visitor Orientation Training. Third Coast is a leader in storing, blending, specialty filtering, tolling, repackaging, and reaction chemistry. As an industry leader, Third Coast is committed to maintaining the health, safety, and security of all personnel that enter our facilities. Good environmental stewardship is also a core value for Third Coast companies. Our accreditation from the International Organization for Standardization, the American Chemistry Council, and the National Association of Chemical Distributors demonstrate our commitment to operating in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. Upon arrival for your visit, you will need to submit a photo identification and provide the name and contact information for your Third Coast host. For your safety and security, you will then be assigned a personal badge that must be scanned at each entry and exit point that is equipped with a badge reader. The badge must remain in your possession during the entirety of your visit and returned prior to your departure. Never use your badge for others to gain access to the Third Coast facility. In addition, visitors must always be escorted by a Third Coast employee when inside the perimeter fencing of the facility and use the designated pedestrian walkways unless instructed otherwise. Personal protective equipment. Visitors who will be entering the fenced area of the facility must wear safety glasses with side shields, hard hat, and closed-toed footwear made of non-perforated materials. In addition, flame-resistant clothing must be worn when entering the reaction section of the facility. Your host can provide the necessary personal protective equipment as needed. Emergency response. If an emergency alarm sounds, your host will direct you to the emergency assembly area. It is important you stay in the assembly area and follow all instructions provided by Third Coast personnel. Always travel upwind of any chemical fire or release. Additional instructions that must be followed during your visit are: the use of tobacco products or e-cigarettes is not permitted on the Third Coast property. The use of cameras, cellular phones, iPads, and other electronic devices are not permitted inside the fenced area of the facility without authorization from Third Coast management. Visitors are never allowed to operate or perform work on equipment inside the facility. Visitors must never touch chemical containers or other inventory located inside the facility. Immediately report any incidents or security concerns to your host. Finally, tractor trailers and forklifts are continuously used inside our facility. Be constantly aware of moving vehicles and give them a wide operating berth. Please use the designated pedestrian walkways unless your host provides other guidance. The leadership team at Third Coast Chemicals wants your time here to be safe and productive. For your safety, please abide by these policies. If you have questions or concerns regarding these and other site policies, please don't hesitate to discuss them with your host. We appreciate your attention and cooperation. Welcome to Third Coast Terminals.